Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered what makes up the skeletal system? Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of bone tissues. Let's get started. First up there are two main types. This dense tissue forms the outer layer of bones. It's structured in concentric layers around central canals known as Haversian systems, providing incredible strength and support. Then there's also called cancellous bone, found mainly in the bone interiors. It's got a lattice-like structure with tiny needle-like pieces called trabeculae, and it houses red bone marrow. Next, we have three types here. Is the most common type, found at the ends of long bones and in the nose, contains elastic fibers and is found in the outer ear and epiglottis. Is packed with dense collagen fibers, providing strength and cushioning in intervertebral discs and the menisci of the knee. Moving on to there is a dense layer of vascular connective tissue covering the bones except at joint surfaces. It's where bone growth and repair happen. Meanwhile, the lines the inner surface of the bone, including the medullary cavity. Now let's uncover the secrets of bone marrow. Is rich in hematopoietic stem cells, responsible for producing red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. You'll find it mainly in the spongy bone of the skull, ribs, sternum, and pelvis. Then there's mainly composed of adipocytes, or fat cells. It serves as a fat reserve and can convert to red marrow in cases of severe blood loss or anemia. Next, let's break down the structure and functions of a long bone. The rounded end portion, containing spongy bone and red marrow involved in joint formation and muscle attachment. The shaft, made mostly of compact bone, providing strength and structure, housing the medullary cavity filled with yellow marrow. Located between the diaphysis and epiphysis, where bone growth occurs in children and the epiphyseal line forms in adults. Is the central cavity within the diaphysis, housing bone marrow and playing a role in blood cell production. This dense connective tissue covers the outer surface of bones, providing a route for blood vessels and nerves, and aiding in bone growth and repair. And the lines the medullary cavity, containing cells involved in bone growth, repair, and remodeling. Lastly, let's dive into the is primarily made up of collagen fibers and inorganic mineral salts, mainly calcium phosphate. This composition gives bones their strength and rigidity. Are mature bone cells embedded within the matrix, maintaining bone tissue? They reside in lacunae and are connected by canaliculae. Are bone-forming cells on the bone surface, synthesizing and secreting the bone matrix. Are large cells that break down bone tissue, facilitating bone remodeling and calcium release. Finally, the osteons are the structural units of compact bone, with concentric lamellae arranged around a central Haversian canal. They provide pathways for blood vessels and nerves, contributing to the bone's strength. There you have it, the incredible types of tissues that make up our skeletal system. Stay curious, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the human body.